This is our Great America from '78. Hometown Square. No, Carousel Plaza. SkyTech Tower. Merry-go-round, still here. Waste of space. Back then, that's where you'll find Superman and Dark Knight. This water ride is still here. We see Tropical Wave, which is the blue line. That will be Batman. Since '92, he moved in. This is the area where you'll be doing Daredevil Dive today. Then here will be those kitty corner. Waste of Land, which is now the Eagle since '81. Here's more of the view of the Mirror Park. That blue ride is where Batman's been since '92. And I take over here. This is Wizard. It's still there. And then this leads you back to Carousel Plaza front gate. So, yeah, don't go around visiting Great America this season. Here's a video with the park record in '78. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.